Good morning everyone. Today I will solve remaining question of relation and function. Question number 8. Question number 8. Show that the relation are in the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is equal to AB such that mod of A minus B is even is an equivalence relation, so that all the elements of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other and all elements of 2, 4 are related to each other, but no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4. So, given solution of this question, so given set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another set given R is equal to AB such that mod of A minus B is even. So now first start make a set R according to this. So R is equal to set of 1, 1. So 1, 1. So an even A minus B an even. So 1, 1 and 1, 3. 1, 3 and 1, 1, 5. 1, 5. So another 2, 4 and 4, 2, 4 and another 3, 3, 3 and 3, 5. 3, 5 and another 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 4 and another 5, 1 and 5, 3 and 3, 1. 3, 1. This is R. First, we can prove according to this set for first for reflexive. So A belong to R. So now A minus A mod of A is equal to 0 is an even. According to this, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 2 minus 2 also is equal to 0. So is an even, therefore R is reflexive. Second, R is symmetric. R is symmetric. So A, B belong to R and B, and then B comma A belong to R. According to this, 1 minus 3 is equal to 2 minus 2 mod of 2 is even, and also 3 minus 1 become 2 mod of 2 is equal to 2 is an even. So this is R is symmetric. Also we can show third part of transitive. So A, B belong to R and also B, C belong to R. Then A, C also belong to R. According to this part, 2, 4, 2 comma 4, 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2 is equal to is an even, and also 4 comma 2 is equal to 2 is equal to is to an even. So this is also 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 is an even. Therefore R is transitive. Therefore R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. And also represent so that all element of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. So another set 1 comma 3 comma 5. So this set is equal to pair 1 3 1 5 and 3 1 or 5 1. This is Difference of two pair gives mod gives even number. This is related to each other, and all element of 2 are related to each other, but no pair of set have 2 4. This is not related to this set. That's all.